When it comes to comparing the leading manufacturers like Milwaukee and Ryobi, debates can ignite like sparks between tool enthusiasts. As industry titans, these brands stand unyielding, providing best-in-class solutions for every trade. Milwaukee, the seasoned contender, has unveiled its revolutionary air propane heater, but wait, Ryobi has already showcased its formidable hybrid air propane heater about 9 months ago. So now, let's compare these two propane heaters and see who wins the battle of efficiency. The first thing you'll notice about a propane heater is its heat output. As we can see, the Milwaukee heater will deliver substantial heat output and is equipped with optimal access to heat settings. The variable heat output control and forced air fan allow you to set the heat output between 30,000 and 70,000 BTUs. On the other hand, Ryobi also features a temperature control dial that allows you to customize the heat output between 30,000 and 60,000 BTUs. It has a total heat coverage of up to 2,500 square feet thanks to its internal fan. However, the heat output is almost similar, but Milwaukee lags behind here with around 1,700 square feet of area coverage. As both tools will often be used outdoors or on job sites, there is a common concern about their build quality. As we can see, Ryobi's hybrid propane heater has a metal construction which appears to be quite sturdy, and it features an integrated carry handle that will enhance portability. Oh, there's also an electronic ignition that ensures easy, worry-free startup every time. Meanwhile, Milwaukee never compromises on durability when introducing a new tool, but for weight management, they have used both metal and plastic in the same construction, which is a good touch. Here you can see a convenient AC/DC functionality that combines with an ergonomic design. It also has a handle on top, providing the same flexibility in transportation. Milwaukee claims that this propane heater can easily function even in various well-ventilated environments. Oh, the startup process is also easy to follow since you'll find a straightforward user interface on the top of the unit for easy access and quick ignition. So in terms of build quality and convenience, both heaters offer the same, and it's a clean tie here. When comparing the runtime of these two heaters, we can see Ryobi's heater will provide around 12 hours of continuous operation. On the other hand, Milwaukee's M18 XC 5.0 battery will deliver approximately 8 hours of runtime, so Milwaukee falls behind once again in this aspect. The hose and the regulator are major features of a heater because the longer the hose, the more flexibility you'll have. Here you can see that Milwaukee comes with a 10-foot long hose and includes a regulator that will give you the necessary convenience. However, Ryobi takes the lead here with its 15-foot hose. You'll surely get better portability compared to Milwaukee's one, and it also includes a regulator, therefore Ryobi wins in terms of portability. After discussing all the aspects, we can conclude that both propane heaters have nearly the same efficiency. However, there are slight differences between them, and since the Ryobi heater came first, what do you think? Can Milwaukee's propane heater beat its competitor? If you wish to acquire the heater immediately, you can visit Acme Tools, where a sale is currently underway for this product. You can pre-order the heater now and save approximately $170 on your purchase. However, if you're looking for an option that fits within a reasonable budget, Ryobi's propane heater will be the answer. So that was everything about Milwaukee Air Propane Heater versus Ryobi Hybrid Air Propane Heater, and thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.